Habari zenu wanafunzi, karibuni katika session nyingine ya mathematics. Katika session hii tutajaribu kupitia kidogo maswali ya mtihani wa taifa wa kidato cha 4 mwaka 2024, na session hii ni mwendelezo wa series ya solving ambao tunaendelea kuifanya tukisolve maswali yaliyotoka kwenye mathematics mwaka 2024. Na bila kupoteza muda na tuanze swali la 8. Swali la 8 nasema an entrepreneur borrowed a loan from a bank under the condition that he is required to repay the loan on monthly installment basis. The entrepreneur repaid 20,000, 22,000, 24,000 shillings for the first, second, and third installment respectively until the loan was fully repaid. If the final monthly installment was 114,000 shillings, how long did the entrepreneur take to repay the whole loan? If you read the question carefully, you're going to see that this is a question related to arithmetic series. So I'll be letting A1 be the first installment, which is 20,000 shilling. A2 is second installment, which is 22,000 shilling. A3, it is 24,000 shilling. So from this, you can see that there is constant difference. That is why I say that you can get actually the idea that this is arithmetic progression. You see that there is actually common difference. D equals to 2,000. So we're supposed to find number of months. So an, after n month, the last amount paid actually is 114,000 shilling. So we are going to use the general formula for arithmetic progression. Mind you, here n is number of months. Number of months. So from an equals to a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference d. We're going to plug the data and find the number of months. So an is 114,000. This is equal to 20,000 plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference, which is 2,000. You open the bracket, you have 114,000 equals to 20,000 plus 2,000 n minus 2,000. When you combine like terms, you have 114,000. This is equal to 18,000 because this number here is going to be combined with this number here. So we have 20,000 minus 2,000, you get 18,000 plus 2,000 n. Taking 18,000 to this side, so you have 114 minus 18,000. The other side you have 2,000 n. Subtracting here, you have 96,000 equals to 2,000 n, and eventually you're going to divide now by 2,000. Divide by 2,000 both sides, and what we get here, you have now n equals to, when you simplify all this, 3 zeros goes, 96 divided by 2, you have 48 months. Okay, so number of months is 48. So solution for part A, how long did the entrepreneur take to repay the whole loan? So the entrepreneur took 48 months to repay the loan. Calculate the total amount of loan borrowed. So now the series Actually, S48 is A1 plus A2 plus A3. It goes to plus A48. So we are going to use the formula for finding summation of first n terms of arithmetic progression. And the formula is Sn equals to n over 2 in the bracket A1 plus An. So S48 now equals to n over 2. We have 48 divided by 2 in the bracket A1. We had 20,000 plus An, which is 114,000. Dear students, when you combine all the details, so S48, we have 24 multiply by 134,000. You combine those numbers, we are going to multiply 24 by 134,000. Eventually you get total amount of money repaid is 3,216,000 Tanzanian shilling. So the total amount of money borrowed is 3,216,000 shilling. That is solution for question number 8. And mind you, this question carries 60 marks. And now we are going to jump to question number 9. By applying your knowledge of trigonometry, show that 4 sine 75 equals to square root of 60 plus square root of 2. So we are supposed to show that this expression is equal to that expression. So what we do, we are going to express sine 75 into special angles. So I'll be considering left hand side. 4 sine 75 can be expressed as actually a sine of special angles. You have 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. Recall sine of A plus B. This is actually sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. So we are going to continue with this part. So we'll be having actually 4 in the bracket sine of 30 cosine of 45 plus sine of 45 cosine of 30. This is equal to 4. Sine 30 is a half times cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2 plus sine 45 square root of 2 over 2 times the square root of 3 over 2. When you combine these two expressions, what we get, we have actually 4 in the bracket square root over 2 over 4 plus the square root of 60 over 4. You open the bracket, you have a square root of 2 plus the square root of 6, which is actually equivalent to right hand side expressions. And so we can say hence shown. Hence shown. We jump now to question number 9b. An electricity post AB is supported by 2 pieces of wire AC and AD on top at point A and the ground at point C and D. If the length of AC is 10 meter, the distance between point C and D is 4 meter, and the height of the post is 6 meter, find the length of wire AD, leaving your answer in short form. So first off, we are going to sketch and So sketching, so you have a triangle. Actually, we have a post. Now this is our post AB. Okay, and this post is supported by 2 wires. On apology, I could use actually a straight line by 2 wires. The first wire is going to start here to this point. Then we have second wire is coming to another point. So we have actually, we have C, and here we have D. And we were informed that the distance between D and C is 4 meters. So this distance here is 4 meters, and the AC is 10 meter. AB is 60 meter. This is actually a right angle, and this is our post, by the way. So now we're supposed to find distance AD equals to how much. So starting with the triangle, in triangle ABC, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be BC square plus AB square. So you have 10 square equals to CB square plus 60 square. So CB square will be 10 square minus 60 square, which is equal to 64. So CB eventually is square root of 64, which is 8 meter. So the distance here is 8 meter. And now to find the AD, we are going to use triangle. So from triangle ADB, we'll use Pythagoras theorem, and so AD square equals to DB square plus AB square. We are looking for AD, by the way. So AD square will be DB, which is 12 square, plus AB, which is 60 square. AD square will be 144 plus 36. Okay. And actually, when you combine them, you get AD is 180. AD square is 180. And so AD will be square root of 180. So you're going to simplify a little bit what is within the bracket. You're going to simplify a little bit what is within the bracket, and when you do that, an apology. So when you simplify what is within the bracket, what you get here is actually AD square. AD equals to square root of 36 times 5, and this is going to be 60 under root 5 meters. So we're supposed to express our answer in that form, and so AD, dear students, is 60 root 5 meter, and that is solution for question number 9 and we have already solved the question number 8. And actually that is all for today. So once again, if it is your first time to be here, consider subscribing to the channel so that you're going to be updated on other coming content. Kwaherini, tukutane kwenye session nyingine itakayokuja.